To create a French knot, we are going to bring our needle up from the back of the fabric and secure a small area of the thread. Using that secured area, we're going to wrap our needle several times. In this case, I'm doing 3 wraps, and we're going to bring our needle back down through the fabric in a hole that's close to, but not the same hole as where our thread's coming out of. Keeping the tension and pushing the wraps down to the base of the fabric, we're going to pull our needle through, and this will create the French knot on the top. Let's try that again up here. We're going to bring our needle up through the fabric. We're going to create that small area of tension. Using the secured thread, we're going to wrap our needle 3 times. Bring our needle back down through the fabric in a hole close to, but not the same hole that we're coming out of. Keeping the tension on the line, we're going to push our needle through, and we've created our French knot. French knots can change in volume depending on how many wraps you do around your needle and how many strands of thread you use. Have so much fun with it. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.